Today, your assignment for functional skills is you need to help your family keep your house clean. So I want you to vacuum one room of your house. So get your vacuum, plug it in. Now, I'm not going to start it, but definitely start it when you do this. Here's what you need to do. When you're vacuuming, follow a pattern. See how it's making the lines in the carpet? You follow those lines, do a pattern. Don't just all over the place like this and crazy. You have to follow a pattern. That way, you get all of the spots vacuumed up and you don't miss anything. Okay? So flip that baby on. Start flapping up dirt. See how I have the nice lines in my carpet? And they go from here, and this line lines up this one, and this line, and this line, and this line. Do that all the way across the room till you get the whole thing vacuumed. And then you're done. I miss you guys. Hope to see you soon.